Hello guys, today we're checking out the MSI Forge GK110 keyboard, and right away, it feels like a board that wants to bring serious energy to your setup. The first thing you notice is the solid weight and satisfying clicky keys, giving every press a crisp, confident feel that makes typing more fun, even for simple everyday tasks. The keyboard also comes with RGB backlighting that adds a nice gaming vibe without being over the top. You can adjust the brightness and effects to match your mood, whether you want something subtle or full-on gamer chaos. When it comes to gaming, the response feels fast and direct, so inputs register smoothly during shooters, RPGs, or competitive matches, helping you stay locked in. That said, it's not perfect. Some users may find the key font a little awkward, and the spacing can take a bit of getting used to at first. The build feels durable overall, though the plastic base may creak slightly if you press extremely hard. Software customization is powerful, but it can feel a little busy until you get the hang of it. Overall, the MSI Forge GK110 delivers clicky performance, flashy lighting, and responsive control, making it a strong option if you want an affordable mechanical-style keyboard with personality and gaming-ready feel.